It started with a whisper, an unspoken truth hidden within the depths of scientific discovery. In a quiet laboratory, Dr. Samuel Carter ran his fingers through his graying hair, peering over a petri dish that could potentially change the course of human history. The dish contained something incredible, a cluster of cells that, against all odds, refused to age. It wasn't magic. It was science, real, raw, and revolutionary. What if aging wasn't an irreversible fate? What if, at a biological level, the clock could be slowed, halted, or even reversed? Aging has long been accepted as an inevitable process, a slow decline written into our genetic code. But groundbreaking research over the past few decades has been unraveling this ancient script, revealing that we may not be as powerless as we once thought. Scientists now understand that aging is driven by several key factors: DNA damage, cellular senescence, telomere shortening, mitochondrial dysfunction, inflammation, and epigenetic alterations. Each of these mechanisms contributes to the wrinkles on our skin, the decline in our cognition, and the wear and tear on our organs. But here's the fascinating part. They can be slowed, prevented, and in some cases, reversed. The cellular battlefield. Reprogramming aging cells. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in recent times has been the ability to reprogram aged cells back into a youthful state. This process, pioneered by Nobel laureate Dr. Shinya Yamanaka, involves the use of specific proteins, now known as Yamanaka factors, which can turn aged cells back into their embryonic state. While complete reprogramming is still risky and not yet applicable to humans, partial reprogramming is showing incredible potential in rejuvenating aged tissues. For example, studies conducted on mice have shown that by intermittently activating these factors, researchers have been able to reverse signs of aging without inducing uncontrolled cell growth, which could lead to cancer. In essence, the cells regain their youthful function, making the skin more elastic, the organs more efficient, and the brain sharper. Telomeres. The guardians of youth. Imagine a shoelace with plastic caps at the end. These caps prevent the lace from fraying. In our bodies, telomeres serve a similar function, acting as protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Each time our cells divide, our telomeres shorten, bringing us one step closer to cellular death. However, an enzyme called telomerase has the ability to rebuild and extend these protective caps. Scientists have found that certain lifestyle changes, such as regular exercise, stress reduction, and a nutrient-rich diet, can naturally enhance telomerase activity. Meditation and mindfulness have also been linked to longer telomeres, as stress is one of the most significant accelerators of telomere shortening. More remarkably, research from Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, suggests that adopting an anti-inflammatory diet and engaging in high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can have profound effects on telomere preservation. Mitochondria. Powerhouses that control aging. Mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of our cells, play a crucial role in aging. As we get older, our mitochondria become less efficient, leading to increased oxidative stress and cellular damage. However, research has shown that specific compounds, such as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+, can help rejuvenate mitochondrial function. NAD+ levels decline with age, but supplementing with precursors like NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NR, nicotinamide riboside, has been shown to restore youthful energy production in cells. Dietary interventions like intermittent fasting and ketogenic diets have also been found to improve mitochondrial function. When the body enters a fasting state, it triggers a process called autophagy, where damaged cells and mitochondria are recycled, making way for healthier, more efficient cellular components. The gut-aging connection. Microbiome's role in longevity. Deep within our digestive tract lies an ecosystem of bacteria that influences nearly every aspect of our health, including aging. The gut microbiome affects inflammation, immune response, and even cognitive function. Studies have found that centenarians often have a unique composition of gut bacteria that helps regulate immune function and maintain youthful metabolism. To cultivate a longevity-promoting gut microbiome, a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and polyphenol-rich plants is essential. Prebiotics and probiotics help maintain a diverse gut flora, which in turn supports overall well-being and slows aging. The power of hormesis. How stress can rejuvenate. A fascinating phenomenon known as hormesis suggests that exposure to mild stressors can actually strengthen our cells and improve longevity. Exercise, cold exposure, heat therapy, such as saunas, and intermittent fasting all fall into this category. When the body encounters these challenges, it triggers repair mechanisms that rejuvenate tissues and enhance resilience. For example, high-intensity exercise boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which promotes the growth of new neurons and protects against age-related cognitive decline. Similarly, exposing the body to cold temperatures has been shown to activate brown fat, which increases metabolism and reduces inflammation. The anti-aging diet. What you eat determines how you age. Aging is deeply influenced by what we put into our bodies. Certain foods have been scientifically proven to slow down aging, while others accelerate it. Some of the most powerful anti-aging foods include blueberries, packed with antioxidants that protect against DNA damage. Dark chocolate, 85% cacao and above, rich in polyphenols that improve circulation and cognitive function. Green tea contains catechins that reduce inflammation and enhance metabolism. Turmeric, curcumin, its active compound, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil, high in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that support heart health and longevity. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, rich in sulforaphane, which activates cellular detoxification pathways. Conclusion. The future of aging is in our hands. Drive. Carter leaned back in his chair, staring at the glowing petri dish. The future of aging wasn't in some mythical fountain of youth. It was in the choices we make every day. Science has shown us that we are not powerless against time. By leveraging diet, exercise, stress management, and cutting-edge discoveries, we can slow, halt, and even reverse aspects of aging. Aging is no longer a one-way street. With the right interventions, we can rewrite the rules of biology, unlocking the potential for a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. The question is, are you ready to take control of your own biological destiny?